channel. So I know it's been a while, but I figured I'd come on and show you guys how to fill in your eyebrows with the BeatBrow Pomade. BeatBrow Pomade is by the Beauteiologist Cosmetics, which is my own brand. So I figured I'd come on. I got a lot of questions on how to use the pomade. So I figured I'd come on, show you guys how to use it. It's gonna be a real quick video, but there are many more to come. So if you've never followed me, if you've never followed me or watched a video of mine, I go by the Beauteiologist. My name is Taylor. So make sure you subscribe, go watch some old videos, and click that notification bell because we will be back and you don't want to miss any of the videos.
Okay guys, as you can see, I went in and did one of my brows. So I'm taking this duo angle brush. It has the small angle brush on one end and a spoolie on the other. This is the medium brown BeatBrow Pomade from Beauteiologist Cosmetics. And as you see, I'm going to take that angle brush and just carve out my brows, basically like outlining your brow. And when your brows aren't groomed, a very crucial part of having a clean brow is making sure you outline around the hair that are the hairs that are sporadic, the hairs that wouldn't normally be there if your eyebrows were waxed or groomed. So you're going to see I take that outline a little bit lower than the hair that's growing in, just to give me that smooth foundation when I go in with my concealer to conceal my brows. Now, concealing your brows is completely optional. So as you can see, that baseline is very important. You want to make sure that baseline is drawn in, visible enough for you to see it. And then you're going to go in and trace the top of your brow. Once you've traced the top of your brow, you're just basically going to go in on your brow and just create a lot of hair-like strokes. So these can be short strokes, these can be long strokes. It all depends on how thick your eyebrows are. So I am going to go in and fill in the tail of my brow a lot darker than the beginning of my brow, because I want it to appear to be a ombre effect, basically where the eyebrow goes from light to dark. And in the beginning of the brow, when you brush it up with the spoolie, you'll see it looks more like hair at the beginning, but the closer you get to the tail, it gets a bit more dark and filled in. That's just how I like my brows, guys. I'm not telling you that this is how you must do it. I'm just really basically showing you how you can apply the brow pomade. And as you can see, my brows aren't perfect. I usually go in, this is a MAC 217, I can't remember, but this brush, it's a Morphe brush, I'm sorry, M162 brush. I'll have it listed below in the description, I'm sorry. So I'm using Deep Olive from e.l.f., their concealer. I recorded this video. It's a full look, but I just wanted to do this snippet of the video just so that you guys could see how to apply the BeatBrow Pomade and get that nice, precise look. If you are not wearing any makeup, I don't suggest applying a lot of concealer. Just a little bit to freshen up the line and make everything look sharp. After this video, I did record a full face look, so I'm going in with that concealer and applying a lot of product because I'm going to be going in with eyeshadow. So, like I said, you do this to your liking. This isn't a mandatory step, but if you want to get a fresh, clean line and make your eyebrows even, I suggest going in with the concealer. Either the same complexion as your skin tone if you are not wearing makeup. If you are wearing makeup and you're using that concealer as a base, you can go a little lighter, because when you go in with your eyeshadow, you want those colors to show true to color. So the best way to do that is to go up a few shades on your concealer. But you must make sure that you are blending this in. And I'm just taking a little fluffy brush that I've began to use as my blending brush. I don't know why, but I love this brush. And I'm just going in to press that concealer into my eyelid and make it very smooth. This is going to get my eyelid ready for that eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Access product that's on the brow and just basically carve out the top of the brow. It's going to be a really light line. I don't do a lot of concealer at the top of my brow. It's just not my cup of tea. But as you can see, I didn't apply any other product, and I'm starting from the middle of the brow and carving down. I don't want it to go over my hair-like strokes in the beginning of the brow, so just to keep it as natural as possible. Yes, so just to keep it as natural as possible, I'm just going to put a small line just to make the eyebrow defined at the top. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Okay guys, so I'm going to end this video here. Like I advised before, this is a part of a full face. So make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when the full face video has been uploaded. And that's it.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. Again, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.